Creating content that actually ranks on Google sounds simple, right? But in reality, it's one of the hardest things to do today. You need to do keyword research, write long articles, optimize for SEO, add images, create videos, publish on your website, and then promote it on social media. It's a lot of work, and honestly, most people give up before they ever see results. And then comes AI, which was supposed to make things easier. But instead, now you're juggling multiple tools, one for writing, another for images, another for videos, another for voiceovers, and you're still spending hours trying to connect everything together. Not to mention the monthly costs that keep adding up. Now imagine this: what if you could take just a single keyword and turn it into a fully optimized blog post, complete with images, videos, voiceovers, and publish it directly to your website, all in just a few minutes? That's exactly what ContentRyte claims to do. In this review, I'm going to show you what ContentRyte is, how it works, and whether it can actually help you generate real Google traffic and build a profitable content-based business, or if it's just another overhyped AI tool. So make sure you watch till the end, because this might completely change the way you create content online. So, what exactly is ContentRyte? In simple terms, ContentRyte is an all-in-one AI content creation and publishing platform that helps you turn any keyword into a fully optimized, Google-ready article, along with images, videos, voiceovers, and even social media posts, all from a single dashboard. Instead of using 5 or 6 different tools for writing, SEO, media creation, and publishing, ContentRyte combines everything into one system. The goal is simple: save you time, reduce your costs, and help you focus on what actually matters, getting traffic and making money. But here's where things get interesting. ContentRyte doesn't just generate random AI content like most tools. It actually connects to your WordPress website and analyzes your existing content, categories, tags, and writing style. Based on that, it creates new content that matches your site, almost like it's learning your voice. They call this technology site DNA. So instead of getting generic AI output that sounds like everyone else, you get content that feels more natural, more relevant, and more aligned with your brand. And that's what makes ContentRyte different from most AI tools out there. Okay. So, if you want to check out ContentRyte and see everything it can do, just click the link in the description below and get started today. Alright, so let's talk about how ContentRyte actually works, and the best part is, the entire process is surprisingly simple. First, you start by connecting your WordPress website to the platform. You can link not just one, but multiple sites, and everything gets synced automatically: your existing posts, categories, tags, and even your authors. So you're not starting from scratch, the system already understands your website structure. Next, you enter your keyword or topic. This is where the magic begins. ContentRyte takes that single keyword and generates a complete, long-form article that's optimized for SEO. It automatically includes proper formatting, internal linking, keyword placement, and even checks for plagiarism and content quality. So instead of spending hours writing and editing, you get a ready-to-publish article in minutes. After that, you can enhance your content with media. With just a few clicks, you can add AI-generated images, product shots, voiceovers, and even videos to your post. You don't need any design skills, editing software, or extra tools. Everything is created inside the same dashboard, which makes the whole process incredibly fast and smooth. And finally, you publish and scale. You can instantly publish your content to your WordPress site, or schedule it for later. Not just that, you can also automate social media posting across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and others, driving even more traffic to your site without any extra effort. So basically, what used to take hours, or even days, can now be done in just a few minutes. Now let's take a closer look at the core features of ContentRyte, because this is where you really start to understand the power of this platform. First, you get a powerful AI image generation system. This isn't just basic image creation, it's a complete visual engine built into the platform. You can generate unlimited images using advanced AI models like DALL-E, create visuals from simple text prompts, or even transform existing images into something completely new. Want to turn a rough idea into a polished graphic? You can do that. Need to upscale a low-quality image into crystal clear HD? That's built in too. You can remove backgrounds, replace entire scenes, combine multiple prompts to create unique visuals, or even convert simple sketches into realistic images. So instead of wasting time searching through stock image websites or paying for designs, you can create exactly what you need, tailored to your content, in just seconds. Then comes something very powerful: AI product shot creation. This feature is a game changer, especially if you're in e-commerce or affiliate marketing. Normally, creating high-quality product images requires expensive photo shoots, lighting setups, and professional editing. But here, you just upload a basic product photo, and the AI transforms it into a studio-quality image instantly. You can place your product in different environments like luxury interiors, kitchens, bathrooms, or outdoor scenes like beaches and nature. You can even apply seasonal themes like Christmas, weddings, or Halloween, or creative effects like fire, water, gold, or snow. The result? Professional-looking product images that increase trust and conversions, without spending money on photographers or designers. Next, we have AI voiceovers and voice cloning. This feature allows you to turn any text into natural, human-like audio using advanced voice technologies. You can choose from multiple voices, accents, and languages, over 80+ options, making it perfect for global audiences. But it goes even further. You can actually clone voices and create consistent branded audio content. Imagine having your own voice, or a specific style, used across all your videos, podcasts, and content, without ever recording manually. This is perfect for YouTube creators, course creators, podcasters, or even marketers who want to create engaging audio content quickly, without needing a microphone, recording setup, or editing skills. Then there's text-to-video creation. This feature turns your written scripts into complete, studio-quality videos within minutes. You can use AI avatars that look realistic, add voiceovers automatically, include background music, and create engaging visual content without touching any video editing software. No camera, no crew, no complicated tools. Whether you want to create YouTube videos, explainer videos, marketing content, or educational videos, everything can be done inside the same dashboard. This not only saves time, but also removes one of the biggest barriers people face when starting video content. Another major feature is social media automation. Creating content is one thing, but distributing it is equally important. And that's where this feature helps a lot. You can schedule and automatically publish your content across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, all from one place. No need to log into multiple accounts or use separate scheduling tools. On top of that, ContentRyte can generate platform-specific content for you, captions, hooks, and posts optimized for each platform. This means better engagement, more visibility, and more traffic flowing back to your websites. So instead of just creating content, you're actually building a complete traffic system. And it doesn't stop there. ContentRyte also gives you the ability to create AI chat agents and custom experts. You can build your own AI assistants tailored to specific tasks or niches. For example, you can create a chatbot for customer support, a content assistant for writing ideas, or even a research assistant trained on your own documents and data. It also includes AI vision capabilities, so you can upload images and get analysis or content ideas based on them. You can process PDFs, extract insights, and even generate code if needed. So instead of just being a content tool, it becomes a complete AI workspace that adapts to your needs. And when you combine all these features together, you're not just using a tool anymore. You're building a complete content creation system that can handle everything, from idea generation to publishing to scaling, all in one place. Okay? Now you might be wondering, is ContentRyte only for bloggers? The answer is no. This tool is actually designed for a wide range of people who create content or want to make money online using traffic. Let's start with bloggers and affiliate marketers. If you're trying to rank articles on Google and earn through affiliate links, this tool can save you a massive amount of time. Instead of writing every article manually, you can generate SEO-optimized content quickly and publish consistently, which is one of the biggest factors in growing traffic. Then come e-commerce store owners and dropshippers. Creating high-quality product images and descriptions is always a challenge. But with ContentRyte, you can turn simple product photos into professional-looking images and generate persuasive product descriptions that actually help increase conversions. Next, we have agencies and freelancers. If you're providing content writing, SEO, or social media services to clients, ContentRyte can help you scale your work without hiring a big team. You can create articles, visuals, and even videos for multiple clients, all from one dashboard. That means more output, less effort, and higher profits. It's also a great fit for YouTubers and content creators. You can generate video scripts, convert them into voiceovers, and even create AI videos without needing a camera or editing skills. So if you're someone who wants to create content but doesn't want to be on camera, this can be a huge advantage. And finally, coaches, consultants, and personal brands. If you're trying to build authority in your niche, you need consistent content, blogs, social posts, emails, and more. ContentRyte helps you create all of that faster, while keeping your brand voice consistent. So as you can see, this isn't just a blogging tool, it's a complete content creation system for anyone who wants to grow online. Okay? Now let's address the big question that almost everyone has. Can AI-generated content actually rank on Google? The answer is yes, it can. But there's a condition. Google doesn't really care whether your content is written by a human or AI. What Google actually cares about is whether your content is helpful, relevant, and satisfies the user's search intent. That's it. In fact, Google has clearly stated that AI content is allowed, as long as it's not spammy or created just to manipulate rankings. If your content provides real value, answers questions properly, and is well optimized, it has every chance to rank. And this isn't just theory, it's already happening. Big companies and authority websites are already using AI to scale their content production. They're publishing hundreds of articles and dominating search results because they combine AI with proper SEO strategies. Even individual bloggers and affiliate marketers are building niche sites that generate thousands, sometimes even hundreds of thousands, of visitors every month using AI-assisted content. So the real difference is not AI versus human. It's good content versus bad content. And this is exactly where tools like ContentRyte come in. Instead of just generating random text, it focuses on structure, SEO, internal linking, and relevance, which are all key factors for ranking. So if used correctly, AI content is not a limitation, it's actually an advantage. Okay? Now let's talk about the pricing, because this is where ContentRyte becomes really interesting. The front-end version of ContentRyte is priced at just $37 as a one-time payment. And for that price, you're getting access to a powerful all-in-one platform that can create content, generate media, and publish directly to your WordPress sites. Now if you compare this with other tools in the market, most of them charge monthly fees. You might end up paying for separate tools for writing, SEO, images, videos, and voiceovers, which can easily cost you hundreds of dollars every single month. But here, you're getting everything under one dashboard for a one-time cost, which makes it a very attractive deal, especially for beginners and budget-conscious users. Now inside the funnel, there are a few optional upgrades. The first upgrade unlocks more advanced features and higher limits for users who want to scale faster. Then there's a done-for-you sites package, which can help you get started quickly without building everything from scratch. There's also a hosting solution, a Multimedia Pro upgrade for more advanced content creation, and even an agency license, which allows you to sell content creation services to clients and build your own business around this tool. And for those who just want everything in one go, there's a complete bundle option, where you get all the features and upgrades combined into a single package. But here's the key thing you need to understand. You don't need to buy everything to get started. Even the basic version is powerful enough to create content, publish it, and start getting traffic. The upgrades are mainly for people who want to scale faster or use it for business purposes. So overall, considering what you're getting, the pricing is quite competitive, especially if you're serious about building a content-based income stream. Okay? If you're ready to lock in this deal at the lowest price and start building your content system, go ahead and click the link in the description below before the offer changes. Now here's the real question. Are you going to keep doing everything manually, or finally use a system that can scale your content and traffic faster? Because let's be honest, building traffic with traditional methods takes months of effort. Writing, editing, designing, publishing, promoting, over and over again. And most people quit halfway because it's just too much. But tools like ContentRyte change that completely. Instead of spending hours creating one piece of content, you can create multiple, fully optimized articles in a single day. You can turn one keyword into traffic, traffic into clicks, and clicks into real income. And the best part? You don't need a team. You don't need expensive tools. You don't even need advanced skills. Everything is already built for you. Now think about this. If even one of your articles starts ranking on Google, it can bring you traffic every single day without any extra effort. Multiply that by 10, 20, or even 50 articles, and you can start building a real passive income stream. That's exactly how people are making thousands of dollars every month with content and affiliate marketing. So the opportunity is clearly there. The only thing left is whether you take action or not. Right now, ContentRyte is available at a one-time price during the launch period. And once this offer is gone, it may either increase or turn into a monthly subscription like most other tools. So if you're even a little bit serious about building an online income with content, this is the right time to get started. Click the link below, grab ContentRyte at the lowest price, and start building your content empire today. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you see results.